Joseon TV of Korea has released the real CCTV footage of Suga's kickboard accident. After watching that CCTV footage, all the BTS armies and the people who love and appreciate BTS are really angry and frustrated over Korean media. They are saying that CCTV footage that was circulating all over the internet was fake. So let's just talk about this CCTV footage of Suga's accident that was released by Joseon TV. In that footage, you can clearly see that the person who is driving that electric scooter was looking like Suga. His personality and way of wearing his clothes. So according to Joseon TV, Suga had meal and drinks at a restaurant near 91 Hannam, which is home of Suga. After having some drinks, Suga went to his studio and picked up that electric scooter and returned back to his home. When he was turning to the Hannam intersection, he lost balance and fell down on the ground and his helmet came off. He was riding that electric scooter on the sidewalk of Hannam. So at that time, 3 riot police officer was patrolling the sidewalk and they saw Suga fell down on the ground, so they tried to help him, and after that police officer took the breathalyzer test of Suga and the alcohol level in Suga's blood was 0.227. The level of alcohol was at that point that the license of someone can be revoked. You can clearly watch in that video that Suga was riding that electric scooter at a very low speed. When he was about to turn towards Hannam intersection, he lost his balance and fell down. So it was just a minor accident, as you can see that, and people are making it a big deal like he has just killed someone or he damaged the property, but nothing like that had happened at that time. You can clearly see that thing in the CCTV footage, and this CCTV footage is telling that the previous CCTV footage that was released by JTBC was all fake, and this CCTV footage is telling the reality of Suga's kickboard accident if it is real. I don't know it is real, but the person in that footage is looking like Suga and he is driving an electric scooter, but the accident that was happened was not a very big accident, and they have dragged Suga so brutally in this case that it started to feel like that something bad is going to happen to Suga, BTS or Hive Level, and this is really unfortunate for Suga that he has to suffer all of this just because of a minor accident that was happened at that time. And it can be happen to anyone, but they have made it a big deal. And it was also explained by Joseon TV that the distance from Suga's studio to home is 500 meters. Suga took that electric board from his studio to cover that distance. I have made 2 videos about Suga and I am still supporting Suga because I know that Suga is not wrong. He was always right. And if this CCTV footage is real, then everything is proved that Hive Label and Suga was not lying about the situation, because CCTV camera is saying the reality of this accident, that nothing major was happened at that time. You can see these comments that armies are posting on X. They are fully supporting Suga and they are saying that JTBC should apologize to Suga and Hive Label for spreading this false information about Suga's kickboard accident. One army is saying that they need to apologize to Suga and release a statement addressing this whole thing. Deleting the video ain't enough. One other person is saying that all this attention to Suga will definitely turn good someday. They really are dragging this on. One person is saying that channel have a one-sided feud with BTS cause this ain't the first time they do this, by the way. There is also a person who is saying that many have united in a brazen lie. Behind all these blatant lies, there is also a massive harassment with hatred toward Yoongi and army. We demand an apology from everyone involved for this whole week of hate and lies towards Yoongi and army. They are saying that JTBC apologized to Suga. Yonhap News apologized to Suga. We demand an apology. JTBC is spreading lies. One person is saying that reporting someone without a proper check-up, so media coded. Another person is saying that watching the real CCTV footage all matched with everything he wrote. He told the truth. Yoongi did not lie. And they are using hashtags like Korean media be professional and hashtag Suga did not lie. Joseon TV has explained that the footage obtained by Police shows Suga starting from his nearby studio and moving to his home 91 Hannam. The CCTV footage shows Suga riding an electric scooter on the sidewalk. At around 11:10 p.m. on the 6th of August, Suga passed 3 riot police officers patrolling the sidewalk near 91 Hannam in Yongsan-gu, Seoul, and he fell while making a left turn towards the entrance in front of the main gate of 91 Hannam. During this process, the police officer is seen approaching Suga, who is trying to pick up his helmet that came off and put it back on and helping him. It was confirmed that the police conducted a breathalyzer test after confirming that Suga was drinking. The result of the breathalyzer test showed Suga's blood alcohol content level of 0.227%, which is high enough to have his license revoked. It has been reported that Suga had a meal and drinks at a restaurant near Hannam intersection, then went to a nearby personal studio together to drink and returned home on an electric scooter that had been placed in the studio at around 11 p.m. The studio was confirmed to be about 500 meters from the 91 Hannam. Meanwhile, it has been revealed that the person appearing in the video of riding an electric scooter on the road reported by some other broadcasters is not Suga. As you can see that Chosun TV has explained that this CCTV footage was obtained by police, and this CCTV footage is telling the reality of Suga's kickboard accident, which was not a kickboard but an electric scooter, but Suga was riding that electric scooter as slow as the average pace of a walking person. That is why it is always said that before saying anything bad about anyone, you should check for the facts and information properly. If you are a media outlet, you cannot release something without proper information. Or if you release this kind of information about someone, it could damage the life of that person very brutally. Before saying anything to anyone, you should check about the real information about that person. They did not realize that what could happen to Suga if this thing become reality. Even though it was just a mistake, he could be framed as a criminal who had violated the traffic rules with his electric scooter. Anything could be happened. So before releasing that CCTV footage, they didn't realize this thing and just released the CCTV footage without the real information. That is why it is really very hard for me to believe any media outlet. But Chosun TV has released the real footage, which has been obtained by the police at that time. So we can believe at this CCTV footage. So if you are interested in Korea, you can like and subscribe to my channel K-Talk for this kind of Korean information, and you are going to get lot of other content on this channel.